Hey guys, it's your girl Olivia here today, and today I'm going to be taking off my makeup because I did it for a video and you guys can go see that video. I think so. I'm going to add it to this video so you guys can see it. So I'm going to be doing my skincare and a little bit of makeup. A little bit because I have to go to sleep after. When I go to sleep at 9:30, I think it's 8 something. So let's get into the video. Which headband should I put on? Any, mini, miny, mo. Touch it, cut it, type. Any, mini, miny, mo. Darn, lose on. Don't want to get my makeup on it. Okay, let's put. Okay, now we're gonna put these, but there is some ones that got this, but I got the blue one. Let's put these low a little bit so the water don't get off. So now I'm gonna go with this watermelon cleanser. Let's put all in the face. I'm just scared for it to get in my eye. If you guys hate when soap cooking, if you guys hate when soap get in your eye, like the video and say I hate soap when it gets in my eye. Okay, let's watch. Okay, just got done on my face. Now let's get into the skincare. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this off. And this might be all the skincare I'm using. One foot of money. Get back in there. Get back in there. And it's Hello Kitty. And you can get this at Forever 21. They did a 50% off of me, so period. Going with contour. Oh. Scrub it up. Okay. And with this MB Meaningful Beauty inside right here. I use too much. Sorry. Baby lip chapstick. Using gonna. My eyes burning because I got my eye. Let's add a little bit of mascara. When I put it on, it dries because I put the sunscreen on and it doesn't stay on my pillow. That was the makeup part. And a little bit of speckle. I see you. Get it right? Okay. I need to go in for bigger brush. Add some a little bit of lotion to make it like disappear a little. Okay, I'm done. And finally I can go to. Thank you guys for watching Olivia's skincare routine to go to sleep. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.